Extremely handy and flexible, our THERMOCUT 12E is just the right tool for anyone who wants to work styrofoam and similar materials to prepare railway landscapes, prototypes and architectural models with full freedom, but without a tiresome use of knives, saws or sandpaper. The THERMOCUT 12E hot wire cutter comes complete with 5 special deformable cutting wires. A system plug protected against reverse polarity and designed for MICROMOT power supply units is included. The THERMOCUT 12E hot wire cutter is designed specifically for free modelling in the areas just mentioned. Being light and compact, it can be guided extremely well. The advantage is obvious. Surroundings can be crafted simply by forming the cutting wire and setting the device as required. The cutting wire is thin enough to be bent into any shape by hand, yet robust enough to maintain this shape while you work. In this manner, the hot wire is used to set the required contour, which can subsequently be cut easily out of the workpiece. This also means no more frayed edges or particles, such as those arising when working with knives and sandpaper. The hot wire easily penetrates the material and can be guided with gentle pressure in the desired direction. This makes it possible to create diverse profiles and styrofoam scenery with an excellent surface quality. Additional flexibility is provided by the stable brackets adjustment options, including a setting of different angles on the upper fixture. The clips can also be pulled out without any problem. To allow a cutting of relatively large boards, the bracket is flattened at the back. As a result, it doesn't take up as much space during cutting and can be guided more easily through the slot. The bracket has a headroom of 100 mm and a throat of 200 mm. This allows relatively thick workpieces and wide profiles to be worked without any trouble. To adapt the device optimally to working conditions and materials, the cutting wire's temperature can be adjusted finely and continuously to a maximum value of about 350 degrees Celsius. In accordance with the material's density and strength, this achieves a perfect cutting pattern after a little practice. As a rule of thumb, the thinner the material, the lower the required temperature. With such versatile features, the THERMOCUT 12E is ideally suited to a wide range of applications, serving not just builders of model railways, but also architects, designers and decorators. The THERMOCUT 12E is furthermore ideal for any type of precision work in building insulation and naturally classic modelling. As an accessory, we recommend using a PROXXON power supply unit rated at 2 amperes or more, such as our NG2S. Spare cutting wire is readily available from specialist retailers. PROXXON. Tools with character.